Diaro yuto mapachoka bende nochiwo thuolo ne Ruto mar kwedo lipode manyiedhore ni pesa mar hasla fund ok osekonyo jopiny to pong' kod mibadhi. Onyiero weche mamegore ni jokenya oseng'anjo ne chulo hola mar hasla fund manyalo romo bilion 10 manowuok e lipot mande nogol kod duol mar KNHRC.
Was not supposed to compete with banks. It wasn't meant to replace credit in banks. It was meant to correct a market failure. That there are people who banks and financial lenders cannot touch even with the longest pole that you can find. But they exist. They are not included in the financial system, and they need support. So we rolled out the Hasla Fund to attend and to include these micro entrepreneurs. You know, people who sit in offices that have air condition, speaking from Nairobi, in posh hotels, don't think 500 shillings matters to anybody, because they don't understand the hassles of small people. They don't understand what goes on in real Kenya, down there, where 500 shillings can make somebody earn a living, be able to put food on their table, and be able to go about their businesses.